Hi everyone, this is a step-by-step guide on how to open the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus tablet. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. We are using a heating pad for this process. Place the back side on the heating pad. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to loosen the adhesive. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the screen and the frame. To make the process easier, use the suction cup near the sides of the screen. Please note that some tablets need extra heating to separate the screen. Carefully insert a plastic carbide tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Next, gently lift the screen and flip it to relax on the body. Next, remove the bracket by undoing two screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then unplug the LCD connector plug to free the screen from the body.